malalakas yung binibitawan ni Pacquiao. Nakita mo yung kung paano mag-snap yung ulo nung Thai, ano?
Ito, ako, medyo nahihilo na, Reka.
Ala, kinukuha sa katawan
Ayun na,
eh. Tama.
ayun na.
Introducing the fighter in the red corner. He weighed in at 110 pounds. Our challenger from Thailand. He was born and raised in Surin, Thailand. He's 25 years old. He has a record of 12 wins, 5 by knockout, 1 loss, and 1 draw. He's rated number 1 in Thailand and the OPBF rated number 3 flyweight. Ladies and gentlemen from Thailand, Panom Det Singvangcha. And ladies and gentlemen, introducing the fighter in the blue corner. He weighed in at 111 pounds. He was born and raised in General Santos City, Philippines. He's 18 years old. He has a record of 21 wins, 13 by knockout, 1 loss. WBC rated number 7 and WBA rated number 9. And the OPBF champion flyweight, ladies and gentlemen, from the Philippines, Manny Pacquiao.
Manny Pacquiao. Ronnie, this is again first announced for Manny Pacquiao. Ed, kung nakikita mo yung mga tao yan, halos lahat na yan. Nagpunta rito hindi para kay Luisito. Because this guy is a hometown boy, Manny Pacquiao.
Totoo yan, native of South Cotabato. Actually, ang kanyang bayan is just a few kilometers down from the poblacion of Coronadal. And Governor Hilario de Pedro III was telling us that Manny Pacquiao here got a hero's welcome when they arrived here. As a matter of fact, yung mga kamag-anak niya are also here in full force.
This is a long-awaited homecoming because Manny Pacquiao was done his campaigning Metro in Metro Manila. Actually, he won this championship last June in Mandaluyong. Doon siya nanalo sa Mandaluyong. Tinalo niya si Chukchay Battery with a 5th round knockout. Fortunately, tumama siya ng isa sa
Round number 1 is underway, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Well, Pacquiao is a fighter in the red trunks, and the Thai Singwan Cha is in the white trunks. Both of them are southpaws. Of course, Pacquiao likes to go for an early knockout. He's got a record of 21 wins, 13 by KO. He lost only once, and he hasn't drawn a fight. So he's a very, very aggressive fighter.
Well, he's already at it, Ronnie. And the crowd here already loving the action that they've seen so far. He's leading off with his right. But Singwang Cha also connects with his right of his own.
Yes, Manny Pacquiao waiting for the right and then the left. But the Thai caught him with a good right.
Ronnie, unfortunately dito ang kumukuha ng katawan si Manny Pacquiao dahil I expected the Thai to go for the body, having learned from his
Pacquiao
countryman.
correction,
That was a
beautiful
good
left.
Left-right combination there by Manny Pacquiao. And he's trying to go for the kill.
Yes, he connect with a good left uppercut, and Singwan Cha is in a little bit of trouble. Pacquiao going after him. You know, it's a very hot afternoon, and I hope this boy doesn't punch himself out. He's got to put Singwan Cha away early.
Well, Singwang Cha himself is full of heart, Ronnie. He's getting hit, but he is also hitting back.
Malalakas yung binibitawan ni Pacquiao. Nakita mo yung kung paano mag-snap yung ulo nung Thai, ano?
Ito, ako, medyo nahihilo na, Reka.
Ala, kinukuha sa katawan eh. Tama.
Ayun na.
Wala na, kinuha sa katawan eh.
Well, Manny Pacquiao was hitting almost at will. Singwan Cha trying gamely as Bruce McTavish, the referee, counts him out.
It's all over.
Oh, spectacular first round win by Manny Pacquiao.
And look at the
before his
crowd.
adoring hometown or townmates here in Coronadal, South Cotabato.
And look at the crowd.
Halos hindi pinawisan itong si Manny Pacquiao at talaga namang tuwang-tuwa ang siguro mga 20,000 mga tao na naririto po maaga pa lamang sa South Cotabato Sports Complex. Manny Pacquiao, the hometown hero, certainly not disappointing his townmates, Reka.
Well, it's Independence Day, Christmas, and New Year all rolled into one. Look at the crowd erupting for their hometown boy. It's a holiday out here right now.
Well, the Thai boxer, as we said, tried gamely to slug it out with Manny Pacquiao. Pero siguro ang ratio ng tamaan doon, Reka, mga 10 ni Manny, mga 2 lang para doon sa Thai.
Oh, actually, Ed, ang in-expect nyo, dahil nakausap ko yung mga taga-Thai, nakita nila yung inilaro ni Pacquiao doon sa Chukchay Battery last June. Nahihirapan sa katawan si Manny, pero ito, si Manny, binaliktad niya yung lamesa at siyang kumuha sa katawan.
Po, nakita na po ninyo ang huling mga sandali ng labang ito. We show it to you again. There's a big left and a right there to the body. Kinatawan muna, Reka, pagkatapos dinala sa taas at tumupi na lamang itong si Sing Wang Cha. Manny Pacquiao with a brilliant display of boxing ability, crisp punching, and going for it all the way. Here's the official announcement.
1 minute and 38 seconds in the first round. Winner by knockout. And still the OPBF champion, Manny Pacquiao.
Upang sa mga pagsubok ay magtagumpay, ay magbalakid sa buhay natin ang dumating, panalo ka pa rin. Sa bawat araw siya sa kapila nagbabantay, para bang layunin sa buhay natin gumagabay. Nais ko lang sana malaman mo, di ka nag-iisa.
Napakapalag ng tao dahil ibinigay niya ang pagtunggawan niya upang tubusin ang mga kasalanan ng tao sa buong sanlibutan. Panalo ka kapag ang Diyos ang iyong pinagliguran. Lagi kang pamantayan, araw man o gabi. Tawagin ang kanyang pangalan, siya yung nasa tabi. Ipikit lang ang mga mata, sabihin ang iyong nais. Kung man dalawang kasalanan, pagsisiya mo ng labis ka. Buong puso at buhay mo italaga sa kanya ka magtiwala, napakabuti niya. Bukas ang pala ng Panginoon para sa akin, kaya wag siya talikuran, buksan ang damdamin. Pagkat sadya ay pusilak ng puso ng Diyos Ama, upang tayo tubusin sa kasalanan ginawa. Hindi ka yung pantayan, hindi tumalo sa lapi. Ang pag-ibig ng Ama, ito ang tunay na walang